Hello everyone. In this video I am going to discuss about an IoT device based on Arduino Uno. So this is my Arduino Uno board with Ethernet shield on the top mounted. This is my Ethernet port and here is the LAN connection going to the PC. In this project I am using a USB to Ethernet converter because my laptop and laptops nowadays they don't have Ethernet port with them. So I am using this adapter for the communication with the Arduino Ethernet shield. I am using USB cable for uploading the sketches. So this is the main Arduino port and this is connected with this laptop USB port for uploading the USB sketches. Now let us have a look on the basic functionality of the circuit. So here I am showing you the basic functionality of the circuit. As you can see here, I am using Arduino Uno in a client mode. Arduino Uno is a client in this process and the person controlling the Arduino Uno is also a client. So both of them are clients. The clients are communicating to the main server. The server will give response to the clients as per requirement. Now the working model of the project is like this. I am using XAMPP server for the project. So XAMPP server IP address is 192.168.1.17. So this is a home server currently. I am not using it on a real server. This server is home server, localhost server. So on this server, the 3 pages of files are existing. These files are index.php, index1.php and newfile.txt. As you can see, again I will show index.php, newfile.txt and index1.php. So these 3 files are responsible for this IoT to function perfectly. So index.php is called by Arduino client. So whenever there is a change or whenever there is no change, every 10 seconds Arduino is contacting the server using the index.php file. So Arduino will contact the server through the index.php file. Arduino is going to write some values and it is going to read some values from the index.php file. So the index.php file will fetch values from newfile.txt. This is a data exchange file. This is just a notepad file used for data exchange between 2 clients. So this is the controlling person and this is the Arduino client. So both whatever this person is sending data will be stored here. Whatever Arduino is sending data will be stored here. So this file will be used as a data exchange file between controlling person and the Arduino client. So this is a common file between both the processes. So I am going to show you now how the things are working. So as you can see here, this is my Arduino client. This is the code for Arduino client. I am showing you a little portion of the code. So this is the Arduino client. As you can see here, I am just scrolling down the code. Okay, so this is the Arduino Uno client. Now here I am going to show you something that is important for this project. This is the region where Arduino is contacting the server. As you can see here, this is the host computer. This is my local host 192.168.17. This is my home computer or the home localhost. So Arduino will contact this server with a GET request. Inside the folder client test, this index.php file is residing. So it is contacting the server with the folder inside the server with the index.php file with the data variables it is going to send, whatever it is going to send. And whenever it is giving this request, it is going to get some response. If the request is correct and if the server is running, it will get some response. Based on the response, the Arduino will behave. So I am going to show you the response. So this is my serial monitor. I am going to see the response when I am switching on the serial monitor. So I switched on the serial monitor. It is trying to initialize the Ethernet with DHCP. So it will take some time. I will pause the video. As you can see, now it is not able to configure the DHCP. It is giving the message which server it is connecting. So it has connected to 192.168.1.177. So this is the address of the Arduino Uno. This is the address of the Arduino Uno, and this is connecting to the main server. So it has got a response OK with a date, everything it is showing. Okay, and now it is sending all the whatever datas, and you can see here it is getting some status. You can see here which ports it has to control low and which ports it has to control high. This result it is coming here. So I am going to take you to the main circuit schematic now. So as you can see here in this picture, it is contacting Arduino is contacting index.php file, and it is getting the results from the index.php file. So let us see the program where it is contacting. So here you can see this is the server. This is the server 192.168.1.17, and it is contacting in the client test folder index.php. This index.php is not in the main folder, not in the root folder. It is in the client test folder. So whatever clients are there will be one folder for each client, so that the data for each clients are separate. So one client cannot control another client's device. That's why there is a client test folder. This is the folder unique for each client, and inside these files are also unique for each client. So this file is going to receive data from the new file.txt. So this is not mentioned here. It is a back-end process going on. So I am going to show you how it is done. As you can see here, this is my Xampp control panel with the server running. As you can see here, this is my Xampp control panel with the server running. So I am going to show you the files in the server and how they are behaving. So here you can see the file path. The file path is on the C drive, Xampp, htdocs directory, client test. This is the same client test folder as you have seen in the Arduino Uno code. So inside the client test folder, this is my index file. Arduino is contacting this file. So this file will contact this file for the data to update and to append. Okay, and another client will contact this file index1, and this file again will contact this new file. This is a notepad file used for data exchange. So between this and this client, the exchange of data will be done through this file. So we will open these files and we will see how they are working. So as you can see here, Arduino is contacting this index file. This is the index file open. As a notepad, I have kept it open. So this code is done in PHP. So here you can see it is opening new file.txt. File open new file.txt. It will open new file.txt and it will fetch the values from the file. Okay, and once it is fetching these values, it will send all these values to Arduino Uno. See, it will echo all the values, it will echo to Arduino Uno. And also, it will take the channel 0 and channel 1, analog channel 0 and channel 1 data, and all the data, whatever it has got, it will send back. It will again write on the same file. So basically, it is controlling this file. New file.txt, it is appending. Okay. So like this, Arduino is controlling this file using index.php. Okay. So now I am going to see how the client is behaving. So this is another client code. Okay, this is the person operating the device. Okay, so this is here we can see so many codes are there. This is just to make the page responsive. If we want to integrate it with Android, we need to code it like this. So this one I will discuss in another topic, how to design a responsive web page. So we will see first the behavior of the project, the basic function of the project, how it behaves. Here you can see again it is opening the same file, new file.txt. The other file also was opening this file, new file.txt. This file also accesses this file. Okay, and it is reading the file here. it is also reading and it is also writing. There are two phases are there in this code. So it will access the same file. So basically what's happening, the client who is operating, the operating person is looking at the index1.php page. He will open this page and he will do the necessary modifications and he will click accept. So once he accepts, all the changes will be done in this notepad file, new file.txt. I am going to show you the new file.txt, how it looks like. So here you can see this is the new file.txt. So only it has how many lines? It has 5, 6, 7 lines. It has only 7 lines of data, but it is the main control data. As you can see here, 81 means it is telling to switch on the channel number 8. And it 50, 60, 70, 80 means 50, 60, 70 and 90. It means switch off all these channels. Wherever there is a 1, it will switch on the particular channel. Okay, and 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, they are the channel numbers, the digital output ports of the Arduino Uno. And these are analog channel 0 and analog channel 1. So like this, there is a data exchange happening in this new file.txt. So again we will see. So this is the file Arduino is accessing. So here you can see it is accessing the new file.txt. And here the controlling person, whoever is controlling the device, will access the same file and the things will work accordingly. So now I will demonstrate you the project with the final output. So this is the controlling person, this is the PC and this is the controlling person. You can see here client test index1.php. Index1.php was the controlling person. Okay, and client test is the folder where the files are residing. In Arduino also you have seen this client test folder. So I am using 192.168.1.17. This is the server address. You can see here this is the server address, client test folder index1.php. When I will hit this page, it will give me this response. So let me click here and click OK. I will hit enter. Okay, so this is the channel status. Okay, so here you can see the switch 5 is off, switch 6 is off, switch 7 is off, switch 8 is on, switch 9 is off. Okay, and from here we have to give the control commands. Okay, and we have to submit. Once we submit, the control command will be updated. Okay, so presently switch 8 is on. See, switch 8 is on. Okay, I will show you on the multimeter. So as you can see here on the multimeter, there is a 4.6 volts this on the pin number 8. So pin number 8 is on. So you can see here on the Arduino Uno, I have connected, this is my pin number 8 connection. So this is connected, this pin number 8, and this is the common connection for the multimeter to display the pin number 8 status. Okay, so I am seeing here presently pin number 8 is on. And here also you can see pin number 8 is on. So now I am going to switch off the pin number 8. So what I need to do, I will come here. I will not do anything. If I don't do anything, it will automatically switch off. For switching on, I need to put a tick. Now if I click just submit, see I have clicked submit. Here you can see all the statuses are off. Okay, all the statuses are off. But here you can see when you come here, now here you can see the voltage on pin number 8 is 0. Okay, so here you can see this is the Arduino Uno. And here you can see all the channels are off, pin number 8 is off. So here on the multimeter also we have seen pin number 8 is off. So basically in this project, what has happened? We have used two files, index.php and index1.php. So index.php is Arduino Uno is contacting index.php, and the person who is controlling the Arduino will contact index1.php, and both will exchange the data through the new file.txt. So like this Internet of Things device is working. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much for your support.